Hi everyone, welcome to my house. It's kisimusi. Kisimusi?
Yes, kisimusi means Christmas. I love being together like this.
That's because we are Mhuri.
Mhuri?
Yes, Mhuri means family.
So, isutiri Mhuri.
Wow, look at all these Christmas gifts. These are zvipo.
What does that mean? Chipo means a gift that's singular. When they are many, it's zvipo.
So I got a kisimusi chipo from my parents too.
Welcome everyone to our holiday feast.
Let's make this the best Christmas ever. This smells is so good. So, it's time to Kudya. Kudya means to eat or food. Inin dinoda Kudya. I feel so happy. That feeling is called kufara.
So kufara means happy?
Yes, kufara means to be happy.
Isutiri kufara pa kisimusi.
Let's remember today's Shona Words. Kisimusi, Christmas. Chipo, gift.
And Mhuri, family. Kudya, food or
To eat.
kufara, to be happy. Thank you for celebrating with the Shona Squad. See you next time. Tifare pa kisimusi.